I'm going to tell you how to get started with predicting products questions. Now in our class, I'm only holding you responsible for predicting products of the following three types of reactions: single replacement reactions, double replacement reactions, and combustion reactions. So the first thing you want to be able to do when you're predicting products is to be able to identify which one of these three types of reactions we're talking about. So if you're looking at two reactants and you notice it's an element and a compound, that's a dead giveaway that the type of reaction is a single replacement. And in a single replacement reaction, we're going to form another element and a compound. Now in a double replacement reaction, the way you are able to identify this type of reaction is by recognizing your two reactants as two different compounds, typically ionic compounds. We will only see ionic compounds in this class. Now, ionic compounds can also include acids. Even though acids are technically not ionic compounds, they are treated the same way when we write compound formulas. When we have a double replacement, we are going to be forming two new compounds. Now, a combustion reaction involves a hydrocarbon and oxygen as our two reactants. A hydrocarbon, by definition, is a formula that only has hydrogens and carbons in it. Sometimes it has oxygens in it, but we're going to stick to examples that only have hydrogens and carbons. Whenever these hydrocarbons are mixed with oxygen, which we know is O2, not just O, we can predict the products to always be carbon dioxide and water. There's no switching, there's no activity series, none of that. We always just assume that the products are carbon dioxide and water when we are dealing with a combustion reaction that involves a hydrocarbon and oxygen. Now, I'll admit, combustion reactions, these hydrocarbons and oxygens, they look a lot like single replacement reactions because hydrocarbons are compounds and oxygens are elements, but you want to watch out for that special formula. Another thing I want to mention about single replacement reactions is don't forget to use your activity series. Okay, so this is just the intro video to help you differentiate between the three types of reactions. Watch the other videos to actually see the examples.